This time, it was Afghanistan who put on the big show. The ghosts of Glenn Maxwell and Wankhede in the ODI World Cup last year was well and truly buried. Mighty Australia? Let's rephrase that to mighty Afghanistan. Bangladesh have been warned. They entered the ring without boxing gloves against India and were well and truly drubbed. But mind you, a wounded tiger is always more dangerous, and they will look to burst this Afghan bubble and regain some lost pride. When Maxwell started smashing them all over, Afghanistan might have thought it was deja vu. But this time they managed to stop him. Naveen ul Haq defied physics with the new ball, and Gulbuddin Naib flexed his biceps to leave the Aussies in a soup. Afghanistan keep getting better and stronger. They have all the bases covered, and their openers are making hay at the top. Fazal Haq Farooqi has hit hard lengths and is leading the charts for most wickets in 2024. But can that middle order join the joyride? Bangladesh are yet to stumble upon the formula that sees them beat India in a T20 World Cup. The bowlers were taken to the cleaners with a total of 13 maximum, the joint most in an innings in 2024. With the bat, skipper Najmul Hussain Shanto looked sharp, but nobody else even came close to troubling India. Bangladesh have lacked the batting firepower in this campaign, and their openers, Liton Das and Tanzil Hassan, barely got going, with both averaging well under 15. But how impressive has the 21-year-old Rishad Hussain been? He remains one of the bright spots in the Bangladeshi side and will look to trouble the Afghans. Before the T20 World Cup, if we had told you that Rahmanullah Gurbaz and Ibrahim Zadran would be amongst the better opening pairs, you might not have even believed us. But now, you might agree. Most openers are struggling.
That's in the air, straight to ball.
But the Afghan openers are feasting. So Bangladesh's power play specialist and their joint highest wicket taker, Tanzim Hassan Shakib, needs to make early inroads against them. Not all teams this season have the luxury of batters crossing the tally of 200 runs, but the Afghan openers have made that look like a cakewalk. Moreover, they have 550s between them. Now Zadran is playing the perfect role for Gurbaz to go at a striking pace. I know, if you didn't know it yet, Gurbaz is also the highest run scorer in this campaign. So the Bangla Tigers have to be aware. Now this clash is not just for a spot in the semis, but also to determine the best Asian side after India. This will surely rejuvenate Bangladesh to leave a lasting impression. But the Blue Tigers' confidence has skyrocketed after that historic win over Australia. They are now inspired to secure their spot in the semis, and we believe they can do it.